Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is Sam here, February 21st, Money Making Friday. So right now, I'm just now leaving the warehouse. I'm loaded up. As you can see back there, I got 14 stops today, 14 stops. So busy day. Going from Tampa, St. Pete, Sarasota, Bradenton, Fort Myers, all the way down to Naples, you guys. So it's going to be a busy damn day. The pay is really great. I'll cover that towards the end of the video as always. So I fill you guys in as much as I can. I'm going to document not every stop because I'm going to be moving and grooving you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and document as many stops as I can. But yeah, today is another big day, you guys. So this puts me over my goal for the week as well. So I'm really, really happy. This came in the clutch too, you guys. It's my highest earning day for the week. My highest earning payday and for the week. Okay, so right now,
in a quarter mile, turn left onto the Florida 618 toll Selman Expressway ramp to Tampa.
All right, sorry about that, you guys. So let me go ahead and get going here. And today's gonna be a great day, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. All right, I'm back, you guys. So right now I'm actually in Bradenton. Sorry, I apologize. I wasn't able to film the first 6 deliveries because I've been really on a run here. I've actually have 15 stops, and I still had to get down to Port Charlotte, Sarasota, Port Charlotte, and Naples. So I got a little bit ways to go, you guys, and it's only 11:30 right now. So. All right, so right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this load in the garage. Look like someone's here, but if not, I'm gonna leave it in the garage for them. So I'll be right back, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and load up real quick. Air filters. There's a big boy right here. And 2 refrigerants. 1 and 2. Right? Boy's got a weight to it. Sheesh. That's Maynard. And that is Estro. Alright, let's go. What screens? No, you got air filters and refrigerants. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Gotta take some pictures. Ooh, what a day, what a day. This facility is crazy. Usually every time I arrive at this one here, they're never open. So he told me to leave everything by the door. So they finally call me back. I'm gonna go ahead and start unloading. Give me a few minutes. This is ridiculous. Deal with, gotta be patient, you know, but like they were able to call me back. They got refrigerants and some other things here. some pictures and just show you guys what I'm dealing with. Right now, I'll tell you what, Sarasota is one of the hardest places to get out of. But I'm just this little package here. This office is always closed, but and I'll meet in a few minutes. See you guys in a few minutes. All right, we're back. So right now, just finished up that drop off at Sarasota. So I'm done with. Actually, I had 15 stops, by the way. I'm done with 10 of them. So I wasn't able to document everyone, but I would tell you this, you know, I'm not happy with the drive time. Not the drive time, but it just, I'm going to say this, you know, Sarasota and Bradenton are the worst city in town to drive through when it comes to deliveries, etc. The traffic is just terrible. Just terrible, man. Terrible than Tampa. I've seen a lot of traffic, but for 10 miles, it took me almost 45 minutes to get where I need to be, which is crazy. 10 miles should only take you about maybe 10 to 15 minutes at the most, maybe 20. So and Bradenton is spread out. You know, you got South Bradenton, you got North Bradenton. It's crazy. But anyway, I'm headed to Port Charlotte. I got 2 drop-offs there, and I got 3 more in Naples. Okay, so right now, I would say I'm about, how far I got here? I got 30 miles to go, you guys, to get my destination. So my goal was to be done by 4 o'clock today because I'm going to Naples. We'll see. We'll see. I keep you guys posted. But I'm not mad. I'm not upset. Just a little bit disappointed in the drive time when it comes to the traffic in Sarasota. So, and it's not even rush hour time, which is crazy. So, I'll see you guys in a second here. I'll see you at the drop-off spot. All right, you guys, so I made it to Naples. Actually, I got 2 last stops to make. That's it. Short, so I'm not going to be long here. I'm just going to document the last 2, and that's it. I'm going to round up the day. I'm gonna let you guys know what I made today. But yeah, so today, pretty good. Not too happy about the finish time, but you know, I'll go over that with you guys in a second here. Just a lot of accidents on the highway today. I mean, just very uncommon. All right, so give me a second, guys. I'm gonna unload this and I'll be right back. I did to my ankle, man. This hurts. Somehow this broke off, so I tried to keep everything organized in my truck. But somehow this broke off. I don't know how, but I don't know how that happened. Jeez. All right, you guys, I gotta take some pictures. But yeah, just show you this one I'm working with. Then I got that little guy to deliver, and that's it. So I can give you a tally of the day here. Woo, we're back. Delivery. Actually, just heading out, just got gassed up really. So, didn't want to record the last one because, you know, it was a short delivery, you guys. So, just a long day for me. I've been, you know, man, been up and grinding since, you know, 8 in the morning. I didn't get loaded up to almost 9:30. But
Use the
anyway,
left 3 lanes to turn left onto the I-75 ramp.
sorry about that, it's GPS. So they make this turn here. So today was a great day. Just a long day, you guys. Just long.
In a quarter mile,
But,
merge onto I-75 north.
I don't know why this GPS keep going on. So today, 15 stops, total pay $807. So that's $807 for 15 stops. It's going to be approximately about 352 total miles. Not bad at all, you guys. The only frustrating part is I got a long drive back home from Naples to Tampa. So you can imagine, not too happy about that doing drive, but I finished at 4:30, but you know, I'm gonna get that highway traffic going north. So other than that, you guys, great day. Oh, by the way, I got 2 TaskRabbit jobs that I scheduled, customer scheduled me for over the weekend. So I will be doing, I will document that, keep you guys up. One is a junk removal job. The other one is actually
There's a 17-minute slowdown caused by a crash on I-75 north in 6 miles.
Okay.
You're
And
still on the fastest route.
I don't know if you guys can hear the GPS. Sorry about that. So I have a junk removal job on Saturday. Then on Sunday I have a apartment move. Just it's partial going to the storage, and the other one's going to the junkyard. So I'm gonna videotape that, you guys. That should be very, very interesting. So this puts me at over my weekly goal already, over 3K for the week, and it's only Friday, you guys. And yes, there's days that I take off for the weekend. There's times that I work 7 days a week. So when you're an owner, independent contractor, listen, you make your own hours up. So when you're a business owner, you get the opportunity to do that. All right, so with that being said, you guys, I'm pretty tired. Go ahead and eat my little fruit here, and I'll see you guys for the next day. So with that being said, please subscribe, comment, and like my page below. I really appreciate it. Other than that, I'll see you guys at the top. I'll see you at the bank. Salute. Peace.